So the first video we took was about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock this morning Eastern Standard Time. It is now about 4 or 5, I can't remember. We're looking at some drifts here. This is 3 steps off the patio, and then another looks like 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet. That's a drift. The kids' playhouse there. Out back is our swing set. Usually our 6-year-old has clearance on that swing to make it back and forth. Sorry, get the screen in the way. But still coming down heavily. Just cleaned off the screen so I could get this shot, but it's all clinging to the screens. It's a better idea of how much is still coming down. Some whiteout conditions. The neighbor's deck, a little bit of fluff on there. Had a good 12 inches clinging to the railing. It's a little snow-capped tree. Kids did some sledding before. Oh, back behind the neighbor's house. Still going.